welcome to FeedOptr. I'm just going to show you how you can export white-labeled feed audits from within the platform. In Settings, you'll notice a new tab, and that will be Audit White Label, and you can select from your feeds. I'm just going to select my first feed. It will show me any previously saved details here, but I'm just going to say that my agency or my freelance name or the person that I want the audit to come from is FeedOptr. The client name, in this case, I'll use my example company, WatchSee. And then there's a logo I've already added in there, but you can just upload a new logo in here. I've got some images here of some watch brands, so I'm just going to add a random one there. And then I'm going to save that and then go back to my dashboard. Here, when I'm on the same feed, I can export the audit. This will take a while. It will also email it to you as well as download it to your desktop. When your feed is downloaded, you'll now be able to see that it has the logo that we provided, the name of the feed that we audited, the company that we were auditing, in this case my demo company, WatchSee, and it will say by your agency or freelancer name here. And then you'll have the same health score, number of fields populated, how many products in your feed, and then depending on how many errors you've got, it will either push this to a new page or it will be on the first page, and it will say, missing G-tins, 4 of my products there, and that's something I need to fix. As well as down here, it will show you all of the fields and how populated they all are. So you can see here I'm missing quite a few, and even simple things like images and names I'm missing in my feed here. You can use this to scope work if you're a freelancer or an agency, so you can charge to audit and fix these feeds, or you can just use it as part of your review process and show them that every week you're working on this and you're improving the numbers in your feed.